Because that's because your teacher says so, our God says so in the Ten Commandments, but it is against nature of what? Relationship. Okay? I would be violating anything that is not against myself or you. Okay? So there is no yung tinatawag natin justice. So it is very important. In today's gospel, Zacchaeus asked, what is that? Who is that? That's it. Now, the second step Zacchaeus did was to find out the ways. Because it is said, sa taong ayaw, maraming dahilan. Sa taong may gusto, maraming paraan. In other words, for those who do not understand Tagalog, do you understand? No? You understand Tagalog already? Not yet. This is it. For those who like, okay, or wish, everything is possible. But for those who do not like, or anyone who does not want, it is impossible. Okay? You will think of impossible. It's possible actually. It's possible. So here, Zacchaeus said, possible. I will find out. Who? I can see Jesus. Oh, good. God created a tree. So if you're a small one, so that you can go up, you can be on top of everyone by climbing a tree. Di ba? Maliwanag ba yun? Umakyat sa puno. By the way, I've been there to Jericho. I've been to Israel 7 times. Have you visited Israel? Among you here? I've been there 7 times. And I've gone to that place. Anyway, they said it used to be. Anyway, there's a sycamore tree. Up to now, there is a sycamore tree. So just like acacia. You know, acacia? So Zacchaeus climbed up the tree, and then he was able to see Jesus. So in other words, he can find a way. The important thing in life is that I can find a way. Okay, maliwanag ba yun? Number 1, the first step, you ask us, what is it? What is that? I will try to discover it. I will find a way. I will try to find the means. So, that's it. You're able to come here because of the transportation, no? So, you were able to find a way. And, of course, there is the encounter. Jesus said to Zacchaeus, come down, come down.